We are Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up grilled cheese chicken sandwiches with jalapenos on top. I'm doing habanero cheese in my grilled cheeses as well. You can make these up any way that you want. I'm using chicken thighs, skinless, boneless, and that's going to be the meat. Add anything you want to this sucker and it's going to be amazing. Heck yeah, grilled cheese for buns. Why not? So we're going to be firing up the Weber. We're doing chicken wings as well, and then we're just going to roast up some veggies. And yeah, summertime, man. Get outside, do some cooking. Barbecue time. habanero grilled cheese popper chicken. Wow. That's rocking. Look at that. Mm. Awesome. End of the night, folks. Wow. Those were dynamite sandwiches. If you ever are doubting yourself, just make something crazy and see what everybody thinks. The family was like, holy shit. Yeah. Oops. Anyway, awesome sandwiches. Grilled cheese chicken sandwiches. Put whatever you want on it. I barbecue sauce the chicken breast, or I had chicken thigh, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, barbecue sauce, and jalapeno poppers. Out of this world, man. That was good. Give yourself one of them. Delicious, delicious sandwiches and a tasty beverage. So, we're having a fire. Rain comes out of nowhere. Not supposed to rain until 3 days from now. And yeah, out of nowhere, quickly disappeared. Thankfully. Yeah. So I guess I'll go enjoy the fire if the rain doesn't come back. And yeah, success. Awesome. Although I hear some thunder. Big time. And the bugs are getting heavy. You hear that? We might end up having a storm after all. I don't know. Busy cook. Busy cook. Alright, folks. We're checking on out of here. Try yourself. Grilled cheese chicken sandwiches, man. They were awesome. Later, guys.